Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your AT&T remote volume is not working, it can be due to pairing issues, wrong TV code or settings problem. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply take a look at the batteries. If you have found that the batteries are drained, you just have to simply remove them with the new ones. After doing so, you will need to reprogram your remote to your TV. For that, you need to take a look at the menu button and OK button. So you need to press them together until the LED light flashes. Afterwards, you need to enter the TV brand code. So this is going to reconnect the volume control to your TV. Now, after doing so, just make sure that your remote is set to control your TV volume and not just the receiver. For that, you can adjust the audio or the volume control settings if it is needed. After doing so, make sure that you restart your TV as well as your AT&T receiver as well. For that, you can unplug both the devices and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes and then simply power them back on. This is going to refresh the connection and it is also going to help fix the remote volume very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.